Hey Chris, this is Sean at Street Sports. This is the WRX in question. See, it's Borla. I want to kind of take pretty decent pictures so you can kind of see the whole system here. And all the way up to here you can see the carbon tracing, but here is the flange. I said that metal, all that metal other than the black carbon tracing, that metal, it all looks the same. But as you can see, that flange is not like that one that was sent to us. Hey, can you go get that piece out of the box real quick, just over top of the counter? And we'll compare it to the one that was sent. Which, of course, so it definitely is not the right piece. But as you can see, this one does not choke down like that one. It stays 3 inch.